Hey my friends, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add a logo to your WordPress website. So make sure you have login on your WordPress dashboard. Now go to appearance, then go to customize option. So my installed theme are Astra. If you have another theme, this is the same way actually. Just go to site identity, then go to site title and logo setting. Then this is the option change logo. So I want to first change here, select, then okay. Okay, just crop and set. Wow, this already set on my WordPress website. This is really good. So if you want to height and length changing, okay, this perfectly. Okay, just click on save button, publish. It's already done. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.